not to take the physical damage one.
Yep.
I can't remember which. I think that's.
I
Right.
think
The
it's the
black
upper
one.
reach.
Is it the black
It's
one?
the
I
black
can't
one.
remember.
It's the black one.
No, the upper reach might physical damage by 50%.
Yeah, it's a black one. Like the magic damage is like purple. You can see it's our purple orbs.
Yeah.
The upper reach is black orbs. You cannot take that. Like, is there any DPS and healer taking that? And the fire one is red. Like, it's a fire.
Yeah.
Yo,
Yep.
lazy.
We'll see what we can do. Everybody's ready. Does anybody have any questions before we do this? Let's just try to just do it one shot and we'll be done with it.
What's the meaning of life?
There is none.
Finding wealth.
Jesus.
Play World
Jesus.
of Warcraft and shut up.
All right, be fun, you.
I'm happy to see Lazy and Dea are part of Flower Crown group.
3, 2, 1.
I don't think we're doing a whole lot of callouts for this one. For healers, there's not really a whole lot to call out.
People with debuffs get a lot of damage.
Remember, I have Smuffy marked for chains, so if you get it, if you get chains, go behind Smuffy.
That's my bad. We'll wait after this to, even if I have the damage immune, just wait.
Yep. All right, Beef, I got him.
Three, two, one.
All right, we got a purple underneath me and Beef. Beef,
Tanks
standing
can
this
take
with
the purple.
me. Yep. There you go.
Three, two, one.
Fire ones.
See the green line between you and other players? That's a DPS boost.
Three, two, one.
Remember, if you get chains, you need to make a line between the boss
Yep, that's perfect.
and triangle.
Miss.
Triangle marker or triangle person marked?
Yep. Yep. Correct. Yep. Triangle person should be standing on top of the triangle marker. Rip. Pulling back on the skull of it, Beef. There we go.
My bad.
Soak that purple.
Look for chains.
Three, two, one.
I got. Where's the green?
Three, two,
Alright, we're at 3:30 right now, so I'd say probably 5-minute mark. We're probably gonna hit the fucking timer. So
There's a black circles in the middle. I'm going to soak it, but
4 minutes.
There's purple in behind him.
There's a black one on it too.
Oh fuck. My bad, beef, sorry. I started step.
3,
All right, get ready.
1.
Get
We're
ready to
about to
phase
get
here
stunned.
soon. Remember, I need everybody to spread out. If you have a taunt, prepare to help us tanks. We have no
One, you
battle
want bubble?
reses for 22 seconds.
When do you want
Beef,
bubble?
you take him first.
You got it.
Beef, you take him first.
Couldn't even get my
Got him.
heroic leap off. I could only jump through him. I couldn't get it off.
Always me.
Eh.
Yep, I'm dead.
We have one barrel
Get
res.
beef up. Get beef up now. Eat him up. About to
I'm
drop.
going to get as far as I can and taunt.
There is no barrel res characters available.
I'm taunting now.
Just run it off.
You got it.
Got it.
Yay!
All right.
Alright,
We
I'm-
did it!
Woo!
I couldn't even heroic leap out of that because I could only heroic leap in a direction that he could hit me.
Yeah.
So, and my shield block percentage with heroic leap is I think 0%. So he hurts.
I don't know. We still gotta figure something out. Like, I'm gonna have to watch videos and have legit strategy for
Hey,
that.
there it is.
You get
I
it?
think you're supposed to
Shield.
die there, so
Noise.
I think that's the whole idea of that aspect is that the raid is slowly dying and it's a race of can the raid die first or does it die first?
Yeah.
I saw
You get
people.
the cheat
jump
that trinket
fire.
and-
Well, that's what I have. I have 2 cheat dead trinkets, but it doesn't matter because I don't know if it's just how DK works because